In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sparkline, which is essentially a tiny trend line, to a scorecard in Looker Studio. Now, if you're looking to incorporate trend lines into your analytical reports, sparklines are a great way to visually showcase performance trends over a chosen period. Although Looker Studio doesn't allow us to add full traditional trend lines to scorecards, sparklines serve as a compact but powerful alternative. They provide a quick visual insight while saving space on your dashboards, ideal for those who appreciate a cleaner, more minimalist design. First, let's get started by heading into Edit mode and selecting the scorecard where you'd like to add this sparkline. Once you've accessed your scorecard, direct your attention to the Setup pane. Here, you'll find a series of configuration options, but the one we're most interested in is the section labeled Sparkline. In this section, you'll need to click to add a dimension. This is an important step because it's all about setting the time frame that your sparkline will span across. When choosing your dimension, you'll want to select a date-oriented one, such as day, week, or month. This selection determines how the data points in your sparkline will be plotted over time. As you finalize your choice for the date dimension, your sparkline will magically appear beneath the primary metric on your scorecard. This neat addition will immediately start to reflect performance trends, offering you and your viewers an immediate glance at how things are progressing over your chosen time frame. It's worth noting that this feature prioritizes clarity and succinct visualization. So, while sparklines are fantastic for trend indication, they do come with a particular limitation. A small but crucial detail to remember is that sparklines cannot be used simultaneously with the progress comparison feature, specifically progress bars. Essentially, you need to choose whether you want to display a sparkline or opt for progress comparisons in your scorecard. One can look at it as simplifying the visual complexity for enhanced analytic efficiency. By understanding these parameters and effectively utilizing sparklines, you can continue crafting more interactive and insightful reports. They sharpen your ability to convey time-sensitive data at a mere glance, enhancing the overall utility of your dashboards. There you have it, the steps you need to create visually compelling scorecard displays using sparklines in Looker Studio. I hope you find this tool addition beneficial, with the sparklines offering a succinct and clear picture of your data trends. Feel free to play around with different date dimensions and explore how these changes can make your dashboards even more effective. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you incorporate sparklines in your projects.